Welcome to this plugging into source meditation, activating the life force energy and filling yourself up with your own source light, bringing your awareness to the heart, bringing your awareness into the present moment. Breathing in light from all around you, connecting to the elements, the wind in the trees, the element of water, the air, and the element of fire. Connecting to the breath, taking deep inhalation in through the nose and feeling that energy, that air element hitting the base of your brain as you breathe that into the nasal cavity, and the energy filters up from the base of the brain up to the crown and down through the central channel, through the chakra column, each chakra assimilating the energy through the body, into the blood, into the internal organs, into all systems of your body, through the blood, into the bones, and into the deepest layers of the skin, into each cell of your body. Each breath becoming lighter, each breath becoming more relaxed, and tuning into the sounds of nature around you, the birds in the trees, each exhalation releasing anything that you no longer wish to hold on to. And then bringing your awareness to your heart center. Bring your right hand to the heart and visualize yourself holding onto a cord or a pipe, and take that pipe, that energetic selenite crystal pipe or cord of energy, and plug it into the higher heart. So just above the heart chakra we have the higher heart chakra, which is the seat of the soul. Plugging your cord into this energetic portal within the body, and this cord of selenite diamond white light is connecting you to divine source. So we call this the Antakarana channel, or the rainbow bridge, or the life thread. Some call it the God spark. And this is the energy channel. It's our energetic umbilical cord that connects us to divine source, connects us to our divine gifts, connects us to our abilities and our divine qualities. And it's how we receive our vital force energy from divine source. So as we breathe the energy in through our nasal passages, we're connecting to the vital force energy of the earth, the element of air, the oxygen. And as we connect to the umbilical cord, our higher heart chord. We're connecting to the vital force energy of the cosmos, of the ascension grid, and to divine source. So we're tuning in and tapping into and drawing in our own source light. So as you visualize that cord moving up beyond the sun, the moon and the stars, all the way up into the cosmos, plugging the other side of your cord into source. And start to breathe that light down through the cord into your heart. And exhale that energy from the higher heart into the lower heart and through the lower chakra column into the base. And continue this cycle. Nice deep breaths, breathing in source light through your cord, through the energetic umbilical cord that is connecting you to divine source, to source light. Keep breathing that energy in and sending that energy down through the lower chakra column as you exhale into the base. So as we start to fill our body up with light, we start to fill each cell of our body up with this source light. We start to activate the DNA. So any dormant parts of our DNA, we reawaken and reactivate each cell. Visualizing each cell in your body filling with light, each cell in your heart, in your liver, in your kidneys, in all systems of your body. And repeating, I activate my divine royal template. I activate and awaken my 13-strand DNA. I awaken my seeds of potential. I align myself to divine source. Keep breathing in that light. And the next time you inhale into the heart, on each exhalation, start to send that energy up into the higher chakras. Into the crown, and out of the crown up 2 meters above your head into your stellar gateway chakra, and repeating that cycle, breathing in source light into the heart, exhaling, sending the energy up, out through the crown into the causal, into the soul star, and then up into the stellar gateway. This is around 2 meters above your head. So we connect into the ascension grid. We start to open up the higher channels and awaken and activate, or reawaken and reactivate the 5D chakra column. Continue that cycle for a few more breaths, bringing down that source light into the higher heart and exhaling up 2 meters above your head into the higher ascension chakras. Feeling yourself expanding, feeling that internal space as your body lights up and expands from inside out, each cell magnetizing and emitting a higher frequency of energy as you feel yourself shifting in vibration. Really connected to Divine Source, connected to your own soul light. And then bringing your awareness back to the higher heart center. Start to bring that cord down from the cosmos. So just visualize yourself unplugging, bringing the energy back down to the heart and sealing the cord at your higher heart chakra, and knowing that at any time you need to fill yourself up, you can just take this cord and plug it in to source, recharging, rebalancing, harmonizing. And start to send your breath down through the body, out through the feet, and bring your awareness to the Earth Star Chakra. Let's activate our Gaia portal. The Earth Star Chakra is the energy center about 2 meters below your feet. This is our grounding center that connects us to Gaia, Pachamama, connecting us to the negative feminine charge of the earth, the cosmos being the positive charge, the yang energy, and the earth being the negative charge, the yin energy. Cosmos is the divine masculine, and the earth is the divine feminine. Connecting to that nurturing energy of the earth as you activate or reactivate and open the Earth Star Chakra, and connecting to a silver platinum light, which is the colour of the Earth Star, and sending down a grounding cord from the Earth Star through the layers and levels of the earth, through the plant kingdom, the mineral kingdom, through the underground rivers and lakes, through the magma, and into the crystalline core, where you find yourself sitting in a crystal cave of selenite, diamond white crystal. And it's like the colour of the snow. It's a snowy quartz crystal. And this is a beautiful crystal connecting you to that crystalline vibration of the earth. Our cells are crystalline. We're made up of the same mineral compounds of the crystalline core. So when we tune into this energy, we're activating or reactivating, we're awakening our intelligence. The crystals within the earth and the minerals deep into the core of the earth, they hold all of the information and the history of the earth. So we're actually tuning into the Akashic records of the earth, the super intelligence. And this is the intelligence that resides within each cell of our body as we are crystalline. This is information that we have forgotten over time, over thousands of years of being living in a modern system. So basking in that intelligence of the crystalline grid, and feel that diamond white light moving up from the core, up into your energy field. And it's expanding the field around you, filling up your space, filling up your room, your house, your home, your environment. And it starts to spread across the earth. And you can take it as far as you wish to take this energy, shifting the vibration of everything around you. So we start to change the frequency of any density around us, whether you're in a town, the countryside, in a city. Just see that crystalline intelligence shifting the vibration of everything around you. And this is the frequency of love. It's the highest vibrational frequency that exists within the cosmos, the universe. So bringing ourselves into the same vibration and setting an intention to remain in this high vibrational frequency throughout the coming days, weeks, and that nothing of a low vibration or a vibration that vibrates below the frequency of love can penetrate your energy field. So ask this selenite diamond white light to seal any tears, any holes, any leaks in your auric shield, so that the frequency that you've filled yourself up with can remain inside your shield, and that nothing that vibrates below love can enter. And then start to draw your energy field back towards your body. Bring it closer until it's a healthy 2 meters away from your body. Feeling protected, shielded, and trusting that anything that vibrates at a density below love will be deflected and sent back to the point of origination, purified and healed. And trusting that everything around you within your environment you will lift up to your vibration. Under the law of resonance, we want to remain healthy and strong and vibrant, that we can lift those around us up to vibrate at our level, and that we remain strong so that nothing that vibrates at density can pull us down. You're strong, you're healthy, you are the light. You're aligned to your true potential, to your true nature, connected to your divine royal template. Slowly start to take nice deep breaths, bringing yourself back into your body, feeling rested, feeling connected to source. Realigned and ready for your day ahead. Sending this meditation with love